the lure of the Orient unveiling China's wonders. China, with its rich history and modern marvels, beckons travelers from around the globe. From the Great Wall's majestic ramparts to the Forbidden City's imperial grandeur, China offers a feast for the senses. Imagine wandering through ancient temples, marveling at towering skyscrapers, and savoring the flavors of authentic Chinese cuisine. A journey to China is an unforgettable experience. Traveling to China requires a bit of preparation. Pakistanis, like many other nationalities, need a visa to enter. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. With the right information and a bit of planning, you'll be well on your way to exploring the wonders of China. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach to securing your Chinese tourist visa, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey to the Middle Kingdom. Let's embark on this adventure together. Your gateway to the Middle Kingdom, navigating the visa process. Obtaining a Chinese tourist visa involves a clear and structured process. First, you'll need to determine the specific type of visa required for your trip. For most Pakistani tourists, a single-entry L visa is the standard. This visa allows for a stay of up to 30 days, perfect for a memorable holiday. Once you've identified the correct visa type, it's time to gather the necessary documents. These typically include your passport, visa application form, passport-sized photographs, proof of travel itinerary, and financial statements. Having all your paperwork in order is crucial for a smooth application process. With your documents prepared, you can submit your application online or in person at the Chinese Visa Application Service Center in Pakistan. Be sure to double-check the requirements and fees on their official website before you go. Remember, accuracy and completeness are key when it comes to visa applications. Essential documents. Your passport to exploration. Your passport serves as your primary identification when traveling abroad. For your Chinese visa application, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in China. Additionally, it should have at least 2 blank pages for visa stamps. It's always a good idea to make photocopies of your passport's information page just in case. Next, you'll need to complete the visa application form accurately and truthfully. You can download this form from the Chinese embassy or consulate website. Pay close attention to each section, providing all required information. Any inconsistencies or omissions could lead to delays or even rejection of your application. Along with the application form, you'll need to provide recent passport-sized photographs that meet the specific requirements outlined by the Chinese embassy or consulate. It's best to have these taken at a professional photo studio to ensure they adhere to the guidelines. Remember, a clear and compliant photograph is essential for a successful visa application. Section 4. Overcoming visa hurdles, common reasons for rejection. While the process for obtaining a Chinese tourist visa is straightforward, there are instances where applications are rejected. One common reason is incomplete or inaccurate information on the application form. Double-checking all details before submission can significantly reduce the likelihood of this issue. Another frequent reason for rejection is insufficient financial documentation. The Chinese authorities want to ensure that visitors can support themselves financially during their stay. Providing bank statements or other proof of funds that demonstrate your financial stability is essential. Furthermore, a history of visa violations or criminal records can raise red flags during the application process. Transparency is key, and it's crucial to address any past issues honestly and thoroughly. Providing clear and concise explanations can help alleviate concerns. Section 5. The Path to Success. Tips for a smooth visa application. To increase your chances of a successful Chinese tourist visa application, consider these helpful tips. First and foremost, start the process well in advance of your intended travel dates. This allows ample time to gather documents, complete the application, and address any unforeseen issues. Secondly, be organized and meticulous with your paperwork. Keep all documents together in a safe and accessible place. Create a checklist to ensure you haven't missed any requirements. Being prepared can make the application process much smoother. Lastly, don't hesitate to contact the Chinese embassy or consulate in Pakistan if you have any questions or require clarification on any aspect of the visa application process. Their staff is there to assist you and provide guidance throughout the process. Remember, clear communication is key to a successful application. By following these tips and approaching the process with diligence, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the enchantment of China.